Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Jain from Business Intelligence and Analytics.org, and today we will talk about how can we rename files in Power Automate Desktop, which will be a robotic process automation and which will save us lots of time. So coming to the case, let's look into an example where we will read everything from Excel and computer will rename the files for us. So our objective is we have to read file names from Excel sheet and we have a folder with 252 files. Let me showcase you the folder. Yes, we have this folder available and we have 252 files in this folder. You can see. So now what my task is that I have to rename these files. We have to add some text at the last which says which is the topic or lesson or something which is related to it. So let me tell you what I have done is I have renamed these files in my Excel sheet. Now we have some lessons, chapters, subtopics, and we have to concatenate these three things into a single term. My objective is that computer read this web information from the Excel and add in this text file. This is the task we have to perform today. Fine. So this is A column which has a file name, current file name, and this is the F column where we want to add our files, and there are total 252 files which starts from row number 2 to row number 253. Fine. So this is the objective we have been decided. So let's go ahead. Let me close this Excel file and let me open our Power Automate desktop. Fine. Renaming 252 files with different values, it takes lots of time. It may take 5 to 6 hours. So now we will start this thing with a flow that I have created with the name of rename files. So this is the flow I have created. Let me tell you, all the actions are available over here. Let me walk you through all the actions that we have made for it. So let's start. First of all, I have launched the Excel. What I have said the computer that launch Excel with the following path, that is our file in the desktop. Fine. Now because I know that there are 252 files, so I have made a loop. Loop is starts from row number 2 to row number 253 and it increments by 1, and every time the value is stored in the variable called loop index. So this will be a loop index which will tell us A2, A3, A4 like this. Fine. Save. Now I need to read from Excel. So what I have said, computer, read from Excel, the row number, column number is A and loop index, which means every time it will store A1, A2, A3 value, and this will go into file name. So this will be the file name variable which will capture my value. Fine. See. Now I read another instance from Excel which is text to add. I have given the name text to add and this is in the F column. F1, F2, F3, F4 like this. Fine. So this has been done. Now I need to rename files. When you talk about files in this system, so there are options like copy file, move file, delete file, rename file. I have taken a rename file into this. Now what I want to do is in rename file I have said take the path which is my path slash file name which was my variable. I have taken the variable file name from here. Fine. And after that I have said add text. There are options like add text, remove text, replace text, change extension. So I have taken add text, and where we want to add after name. My objective is to add it after name. Fine. And do nothing if the file exists. This is the logic. I have applied. Save. And then after the loop end we want to close the Excel. Fine. So this is the thing. There are total 252 files and we want Excel to do this for us. Fine. So let's start this and see how computer will do, how this Power Automate task will be completed. Let's run this with the help of run command. So it has opened the Excel for us and it is reading, and let me show you the folder. Look, it is renaming the files. It is reading and it is renaming the file. So this is magic. Look, if I have done it manually, it may take 15 minutes to do 10 files or 20 minutes. I have to open Excel, read again the things. Now it is doing very smartly for us. So this is about robotic process automation. We have made a loop, and loop is like simple for loop, like we study in VBA programming, various loops. So same way it is doing for us. And I feel so happy watching this video. This computer is automatically doing the task. My 6 hours have been saved. And look, in 2 minutes, it will complete the entire task. And the best part is, because computer is a brainless machine, it will never copy or do wrong mistakes. If the logic is correct, it will perfect the 100% solution for us. Because sometimes it happens when we copy paste all these things, we might say copy A5 cell and put into A6 one. So there can be human errors, but now human errors have been eliminated. And look, it's doing very fast. We have done 112 files so far. So total 252 files we have to rename. How are you feeling watching this process? Please let me know, do you also do something like a process which you need to automate for yourself? Please write in the comment so we can make a video for that. Hope you are enjoying this video and watching this automation. So if you are enjoying this, please do write name and comment, location in the comment so we can know more about you. So the process is about to complete, and see, all the files will be completed fast. You see how the process is going on. We can check about this. So done. This has been done. Excel has been closed. And we have done the task very smartly. All the files have been renamed. So this was the case we have solved today, and we have learned how can we rename the files with the help of Power Automate desktop version. And yes, files were from Excel, so we have learned how to read from the Excel as well. If you have any questions regarding Power Automate and want to watch my videos, please subscribe to this channel. And yes, we have a website bi-analytics.org which has clubs like Excel, VBA, Power BI, various things. We have made a club for Power Automate as well. So if you have any question regarding Power Automate, please ask me over here. And if you want to take a free session or say you want to learn Automate from me, you are always welcome to connect with me. Thank you very much. Look forward for your next video for you.